Okay guys, so this morning I'm going to show you how I make our brunch. Just simple omelettes but packed full of flavour and tasty goodness that we like so. So, first of all, I've got a pan here with a little bit of oil in it, just heating through. And then I'm going to show off on my chopping board, if I can place it right, what it is I chop to go into my omelette. So I've got a regular white onion here, but it can be whatever onion you've got. Sometimes I've got red onions, sometimes I've got spring onions. I like my onion, so a fair bit of onion. This is for single egg omelette, but I'll explain in a minute when I say that. So that goes in. Alongside that, for ease, just for omelettes and curries and things, I've got red and green pre-chopped frozen peppers from the supermarket. Because I didn't have any frozen peas and I did have frozen sweet corn, I'm going to put just a little bit of that in, not too much. Finally, what we get here in Spain, I'm sure the UK does too, is little pellets of pre-frozen spinach, just like this. They just go into the pan as well, and obviously because they're frozen, they will need a few minutes to cook down. So this so far, where are you? Since you were gone, I have added some fresh mushrooms to my pan. So I've now got onion, red and green peppers, sweet corn and some mushrooms in my pan. I'm going to turn the heat down because this is what I actually want to show you. In addition to doing that, I've actually got 1 egg beaten in a cup, just a plain bog standard egg. But this is what I want to show you. I'm assuming you get it in the UK as well, but this is what we buy. Pre-bottled egg whites. This says it's specially for sports. It's got on the side, it's got a list of how many egg whites you're actually using. That's in reverse too, I think. I don't measure it specifically, I just put a splurt in the same cup as my egg yolks. I'm going to show you the pan again so you can see what's going on there. That is now ready in my mind to pour my egg white, egg yolk mixture on. Okay, so this is in effect 1 whole egg and a good dolloping of egg whites on top. You will see I've turned the oil down, turned the pan down, so it will set quite slowly because it is egg whites. It makes it a little bit more runny. But you can see it's already starting to whiten a little bit around the edges there. So again, I'll come back to you in a couple of minutes when that's started to set. Okay, so I've now just flipped my omelette over. It has broken a little bit, as I knew it would, because obviously I've got a lot of different small pieces in there. It doesn't really matter because it's all going down the same way. So it's now more of a, what you'd call in the UK, a frittata, which is an Italian word. That us over here in Spain is an omelette. So also, just to show you what I've got on my plate to go with it, I've got some mixed lettuce leaves, some cucumber, some small cherry tomatoes, a little bit of Caesar salad. All I need to do now, and I should have done it just before, is put a little bit of salt and pepper actually onto my omelette. I do like a nice little bit of salt and pepper. I do usually use Himalayan salt, but it's in the cupboard. So that is pretty much ready to go. I've turned my pan off. If I can just put the stand down here to show you my plate. So that is ready to have my omelette on. And as I say, it has broken a little bit, but not to worry about that. Because that is an omelette with onions, mushrooms, a few chopped peppers, a little bit of sweet corn, some frozen spinach, 1 egg, some egg whites, a slow cook for about 2 minutes each side, and some lettuce leaves. And that is going to be my brunch.